Hello everyone, welcome to the latest updates on GA4 for the month of August. Recently, Google released its most awaited extension in its marketplace for the analytic users out there, and that was GA4 Report Builder extension for Google Sheets. Although there have been already numerous extensions out there for GA4, then what's so special or amazing about this one? Well, we can simply say that it's been created and developed by Google itself. So in that scenario, data privacy should not be an issue over here compared to the third-party extensions. So you can simply extract your data without thinking of getting your information being used by someone else. And the second thing is its compatibility with GA4 API in terms of extracting the data. So let me give you a quick walkthrough on how you can access this extension and then generate reports through it. So all you have to do is simply go to your go to the Google Sheets, then click on add-ons, get add-ons, and then search for Google Analytics. Over here, if you see, there are numerous extensions that belongs to Universal Analytics as well as GA4. We'll scroll down and you can see this one. This belongs to Google and you have to click install, and within few seconds it's going to get added into your Google Sheets. Now, in order to create a report, there are two steps that you have to take. The first one is creating its or configuring its schema, and the second one is running that report. So, in order to create a schema, you have to click on create new report, and it's going to provide you with this UI. Over here, you have to provide the name of the report, the account you want to use for it, and that we're going to select the demo account, that's the merchandising store, the property you want to work with, the start and end date. There are some pre-defined dates over here that you can go with. So let's just say that we want to look at the data for the last 7 days. So I'll select the end days ago, define the days, and then end date should be yesterday. Over here, you have two options, the dimensions and the metrics. We are going to go with the city and then the new users and the sessions that they created. Once you have selected all the information that you want to bring into your report, just simply click on create report. Over here, if you see, it created one new schema since I already had one. So it's going to provide me all the information that I have defined over here. So the first one is going to be the report name, the property that we selected, the start date, the end date, and the metrics and dimension that have been selected in it. The metric filter and metric filter and dimension filter are not available yet over here, but in future we'll get that. So whatever filter you will define in the UI is going to be presented over here. The second thing is the limit. So the limit defines number of rows that are going to get populated over here. By default, it's 1000, but you can increase or decrease it as per your availability. Once you have configured your schema, all you have to do is go to the extension and click on run report. Once you do it, it's going to create a new sheet and provide you with the data that you were looking for. So if over here, if you see, we can see the cities and the new users and session that it collected in the past 7 days. The one thing to note over here is the token per quota and token per hour quota. This is similar to the token that are being consumed in the Looker Studio, but these are comparatively low if you see. So hopefully we are not going to face that token error over here, and we have much more freedom in terms of manipulating and formatting the data and using the visualization. So I guess that it's going to be pretty good tool for us, and in future we are going to get much more updates for it, and we can create more effective reports. So that's all for now. Thank you.